ISO after running through Jamaica. Hurricane Beryl slammed into the southeastern part of Texas and Louisiana, knocking down electric poles, destroying buildings, and there are reports that at least 8 people have lost their lives due to the hurricane. Rapper Slim Thug, Peso Peso, and others in Houston showed the aftermath of the hurricane. Let's check it out.
This is why we ain't got no power, y'all. On my side, at least. Another one. Another one. Another one. What the fuck is this one?
Hell all in the pool. Cabana all over there. All over there. People starting to come back outside on the freeways. 288 look like it's back straight. Oh, and they look like they got some closure up here. Thuggin' News, we on the move. This part is open. This the part of 288 that's like a pool, I guess. They got it blocked off.
Driven by Fred Haas Nissan and
People at the gas station. Dallas, Montreal. Memorial is a river. Look at Memorial. Look this way. God. All the way to the top. Look at these motherfuckers walking. Turn this to an adventure.
Houston State University, and I wake up every morning listening to 97.
It's getting crazy at the Memorial. But it's a little adventurous. More obstacles at the park. Oh shit. Good old back crawl.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.